auto-translate videos to 48 languages with AI global reach. Imagine releasing a video today, and by tomorrow, it resonates with viewers in Tokyo, Cairo, Buenos Aires, and Moscow. The language barrier, once a formidable wall, has crumbled. This is not a glimpse into a distant future. It is the palpable reality of today, powered by the revolutionary capabilities of artificial intelligence. The ability to auto-translate videos into 48 languages is no longer science fiction, but a sophisticated technological workflow that is democratizing global communication for creators, educators, and corporations alike. The promise of instantaneous global reach is here, and it is orchestrated by a symphony of AI tools working in concert. The magic of AI-powered video translation is a multi-stage process, far more complex and elegant than simple subtitle translation. It begins with the most critical step, accurate speech-to-text conversion. AI models must first decipher the spoken word from the audio track, a task handled by sophisticated automatic speech recognition, ASR, systems. These are not mere transcriptionists. They are context-aware engines trained on millions of hours of human speech. They can discern different speakers, filter out background noise, and understand accents and colloquialisms. The output is a precise, time-coded transcript that forms the foundational layer of the entire process. A single error here, mishearing nuclear for unclear, can cascade through the entire pipeline, underscoring the need for robust ASR. Once the transcript is secured, the true linguistic alchemy begins with neural machine translation, NMT. This is the core of the translation itself. Unlike older, rules-based translation systems that operated phrase by phrase, NMT uses vast artificial neural networks to translate entire sentences and paragraphs in context. It doesn't just swap words. It understands nuance, intent, and idiom. For instance, it knows that the English phrase, "it's raining cats and dogs," should be translated conceptually into its equivalent in Spanish, "Luva cantaros," or Japanese, "Kusha jengri," rather than a literal, nonsensical word-for-word substitution. This contextual understanding is what separates modern AI translation from the clumsy, often humorous outputs of the past. However, translated text on a screen is only half the battle. For a truly immersive and natural viewing experience, the audio itself must be transformed. This is where the technology becomes truly breathtaking. The third stage involves AI-powered voice cloning and speech synthesis. Advanced tools analyze the original speaker's voice, its timbre, pitch, cadence, and emotional tone, to create a unique vocal fingerprint or voice print. Then, using this model, they synthesize the translated transcript into speech that not only speaks the new language, but does so in a voice strikingly similar to the original. The result is not a robotic, monotonal drone, but a dynamic, expressive narration that preserves the speaker's vocal identity. The final, and most visually critical, step is lip syncing. A video where the speaker's mouth movements are out of sync with the new audio is jarring and unprofessional. AI now solves this with generative video models. Using a technique known as neural rendering, the AI can subtly manipulate the speaker's lip movements in the video to match the phonemes of a newly generated, translated audio track. It analyzes the voicemes, the visual representation of a phoneme, of the target language, and warps the video frames accordingly. The outcome is a seamless, natural-looking video where it appears the speaker is fluently articulating a language they may never have spoken. So, which specific programs and tools bring this futuristic workflow to life? The ecosystem is rapidly evolving, but several key players are leading the charge. Fully integrated, end-to-end platforms are the most user-friendly solution. Companies like HeyGen, formerly Synthesia, Captions, and Wisecut have popularized this all-in-one approach. A user simply uploads a video, select from a list of target languages, often exceeding 50, including the mentioned 48, and the platform handles the entire pipeline automatically. These tools are designed for ease of use, requiring no technical expertise. They are perfect for marketers, educators, and social media creators who need to produce localized content quickly and at scale. For those seeking more control or building custom solutions, a modular approach using best-in-class APIs is the preferred method. This involves chaining together specialized services. Speech-to-text. OpenAI's Whisper is a powerhouse in this domain. As an open-source model, It offers state-of-the-art accuracy and supports a wide range of languages and accents, making it a favorite among developers. Translation. Google Cloud Translation AI and DeepL are the titans here. Google offers immense scale and language coverage, while DeepL is often praised for its superior nuance and fluency in major European languages. Voice synthesis. ElevenLabs has set a new benchmark for AI voice generation. Its technology is renowned for its emotional range and human-like quality, making it ideal for cloning a speaker's voice for dub content. Amazon Poly and Google Cloud Text-to-Speech also offer robust, scalable solutions. Lip syncing. This cutting-edge capability is still emerging at the API level, but is the secret sauce within platforms like HeyGen and Synthesia. Research institutions and companies like SyncLabs are developing APIs specifically for this task, allowing developers to programmatically synchronize lip movements with new audio. The implications of this technology are profound. It shatters the cost and time barriers traditionally associated with professional dubbing and subtitling. A small business can now launch a product video globally in tandem with its domestic release. An online educator can reach millions of non-English speaking students without losing the authenticity of their teaching style. Nonprofits can disseminate crucial information across linguistic boundaries during crises. In conclusion, the ability to auto-translate videos into dozens of languages is a paradigm shift in global media. It is an intricate dance of multiple AI disciplines: speech recognition, neural translation, voice cloning, and generative video, each performing its part to create a cohesive and astonishingly authentic final product. Whether accessed through streamlined SaaS platforms or custom-built with powerful APIs, this technology is no longer a novelty, but an essential tool for anyone with a message to share. The global village is no longer a metaphor. It is a digital reality, and AI is its universal translator, granting us all a truly global reach. If you found this video informative, please like and subscribe. It will really help this channel out. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more informative videos coming.